Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to fry some zucchini, but it's going to have a Mediterranean twist to it. But before I go there, I want to let you know I have other types of videos on my channel. I have easy to prepare recipes, product reviews, meditation videos, and videos on growing a variety of vegetables in containers. So let's go fry some zucchini. Here are two zucchini that I picked from my yard. I kind of let that get too big, but we're still going to use it. And I'm just going to peel and slice it. Now you don't have to slice all the skin off. You can leave some on for a little color and a little extra chew. Now I'm going to slice the other one off camera. So now we need to get our dry ingredients together. So in here I have 1 cup of self-rising flour. I like the little extra lift that the self-rising flour gives because it has some leavening agents in there already. I'm going to put this Middle Eastern flavoring in here. This is Sumac. That's how it looks. It comes in different jars because different people make it, but this is the brand that I'm using. And it has a nice fruity, earthy smell to it, and it adds a nice little background taste to it. Now you can use this according to the packaging on here if you want to reduce salt in your diet, but I just like because it's additional flavoring, so put that in there. And speaking of salt, I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there. Now I'm going to put all the measurements in the description section. Here's some cumin powder. I love cumin. I'll put cumin in my beans as well. Some onion powder. And some smoked paprika. Now I'm going to get all this mixed in here before I put my liquid. My liquid is just going to be water. I have a cup of water, almost a cup of water, but I'm not going to put it all in there at once. I'm going to see how the texture of it is. It's going to be kind of a loose batter. So here's some of my cold water. So I'm going to say this is about 2/3 of a cup to begin with. I think I'm going to add just a tad bit more. And that's the consistency that I like. I want to say it's like a thick paste. Okay, so we're going to get the frying pan started. Okay, so what I have in the pan is I have canola oil. You can use regular vegetable oil. And I'm just going to, let me give you a shot. I'm just dipping it into the batter. And then I'm going to let it drip off and then lay it in to fry just like that. Now sometimes this batter will get a little thick and you just add a little more water to loosen it up. And yes, it will pop when it's frying, so be careful. And you don't want to put too many in the pan at one time. Once it starts frying like that, I'm going to turn it down a little bit and I'm going to put the rest of these in here. And I think that's about all I'm going to put in there. I want to make sure that the temperature of the heat stays up. I don't want it to go down because I got too many of them in there. And I have another plate ready with some paper towel on there to drain it off. Now I'm going to fry these so that they're brown on both sides, and it's going to be done in batches. So I'll come back as they start to get nice and done. Okay, I'm down to my last batch. I'm going to flip these over. And you're going to meet me back over with the finished platter. And here it is, a platter of nice fried zucchini. They're good by themselves, but if you want to serve it as an appetizer, put some of your favorite sauces or dressings with it. I have a nice ranch dressing, and I have a nice Thousand Island dressing as well, but any of your favorite dressings will do. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now.